students, I'm Sharli Mishra, your SST teacher, going to teach you chapter number 1, and the title of the chapter is Heritage of India. According to Vishnu Purana, India extends from the Himalaya in the north to the Indian Ocean in the south. It is said that new inhabitants or new descendants are called Indians. In the beginning of any auspicious ceremony, maybe you have heard that India is known by the names such as Bharatvarsh, Bharatkhand, Jammu and Aryavart, etc. These words are used while taking resolution. Our country is gifted with the natural boundaries Himalaya in the north and sea in the east, west, south. In the east, we have Bay of Bengal. In the west, we have Arabian Sea, and in the south, we have Indian Ocean. From all over the world, different countries mesmerized by the Indian prosperity and came to trade, settled and mingled with Indian culture. Due to mutual exchange, many changes have been seen in our culture. In this way, our heritage is transferred from generation to generation and it is continuously progressing. Now we'll study about the location and area. India is a very vast country. Area wise, India ranks 7th and population wise, it ranks 2nd. Now we'll study rich and varied heritage of India. Our motherland has bestowed rich and varied heritage to us so as to the whole world. Indian culture have been trade oriented and peace loving. Indian philosophy believes in Sat, Chit and Anand. Sat means truth, Chit means consciousness and Anand means happiness. These all are realized from Indian culture. Beside this, Indian culture prospered with the mutual exchange of different cultures of the other countries which came to India and settled here. They have accepted the value of non-violence and peace which have been adopted and admired by the world. People right from the beginning of Indus Valley civilization, that is one of the ancient civilizations of the world, till today have made our country rich and wealthy with their intellectual ability, talent, and skill. Innumerable scholars, thinkers, artists, artisans, sages, saints, scientists, and historians have contributed to the growth and development of our culture. What culture is? Culture is a sum of habits. What are our habits? What are our values? What are our customs, traditions, and conduct of lifestyle of human? Now we'll study the meaning of culture. Culture means a way of life. As we already studied and discussed in earlier paragraphs, it is made of changes that occur in public life, social rules and regulations of different societies of India. It can be said that culture is a total of habits, values, customs, traditions, and ideals leading humans to the highest level. Now, cultural heritage of India. Heritage means a valuable gift from our forefathers to us, that is transferred from our forefathers to this generation of India. Indian history is thousands of years old. We say in school plays, I love my country and I'm proud of its rich and varied heritage. In this context, heritage is a precious gift from our motherland to the whole world. About mysteries of human life, we divide our heritage into two divisions. First, natural heritage of India, and second, cultural heritage of India.